In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Android smartphone to your HP OfficeJet Pro 9125E, and also how to print using your phone, and also how to get the scan results directly using Wi-Fi to your Android device. So let's get started right away. By the way, this also works if you have an Android tablet. So the first step is to connect this printer to your Wi-Fi network. Turn it on and then go on the screen over here. So what we need to press first is the menu button. Then go down until you're gonna see settings. Click on the settings. Then select network. Select Wi-Fi, the first option. Make sure Wi-Fi is indeed turned on. And then we need to click on Start beside Wi-Fi Setup Wizard. It will search for all the Wi-Fi networks that are currently around this printer. And yours will appear in this list. Mine is the number 1 over here, so I'll click on it. And now it's time to type the Wi-Fi password. So simply click on this rectangle. You may have to click multiple times for the screen to register, and now use the keyboard. If your password has numbers, click over here. You also have access to some symbols. Press OK. Submit. OK. And now wait. You're gonna get a green check mark with connection successful. On your Android smartphone, what you need to do next is to go on the Google Play Store, tap on Search, and download the HP Smart app. So go ahead, type HP Smart, and this is the app you need to download, HP Smart by HP. Once you're done, open the app. This is the main menu of the app. First thing, if you never connected a printer to this, you're gonna get the Add Printer button on the top. Click on it, and then select Already Connected to Network. Then select your HP OfficeJet Pro 9120E series. It will be added on the top. You're gonna see Finish Setup. You don't have to worry about that. If you click here, they will simply try to sell you their subscription service that is called Instant Ink. Now, if you want to print and scan, you'll have to connect this app to your HP account. It's free, don't worry, and it takes 2 minutes to create one if you don't have one. So go ahead and connect this app to your account by clicking on the lower right side here where it says account. Once this is done, all the settings down below will be available to you. So you'll be able to print and also scan. If you want to print a picture, click on Print Photo. If you want to print a document, click Print Document. Then select if it's a PDF or photo. Open the document you wish to print, and then select Print Preview. Then click on this arrow. Make sure, by the way, your printer is the one selected on the top. Choose the number of copies you want. Do you want this to be printed on one side or both sides of the paper? Do you want this to be in color or black and white? The paper size, and the rest don't touch. At the end, press print, and usually in under 12 seconds you should get a result. You can also extend this tray so the paper does not come flying out of the printer. Now let me show you how to use the scanners. So this printer has 2 different scanners, a top document feeder if you have to scan multiple pages at the same time, and also a basic scanner over here. I'll show you how both of these are working. So this one, take your paper and place it facing down with the top part of your page towards the left side like that. And then we need to align this corner, the top left corner of your page, with the top left corner of the printer, the one that has some kind of an arrow or triangle there. Once both are touching, close the lid. On the app, go down and select Printer Scan. Then click on the top here. And make sure these details, these settings are okay with whatever you're trying to print. So the page size, Source, leave it like this. Resolution by default is 200 dpi, but if you're scanning something with a lot of details, like a painting or a picture, select 300 dpi. It will give you a better result. And then you have color or black and white. Let's go back and press the scan button. Then you'll get the results on your screen with a blue square or rectangle. You can drag these to select which part of the document you want to save. If not, you can press full and the whole thing will be saved. Most people will want this, I guess. Then press next. Now we have a few options. You can press rotate in case the rotation is not the one you wish. You can delete this if you're not happy with the results. If you click these three dots, you can select delete. And down below you can press print preview if you want to print what's on the screen. Or you can press share if you want to share it on social media or let's say with a contact. If you want to save the result on your smartphone, simply press save. You'll be able to edit this name. This is the default name, but you can give this scan any name that you wish. Select the file type. So if it's a text document, PDF is the one that most people will use, and press save. Now you just have to select which folder on your Android device you wish to save this and press the save button. If you want to use the top document feeder because you have multiple pages you wish to scan, take your pages, align them, place them facing up with the top part towards the left. Glide them between these two plastic guides. Okay. You can extend this small flap so when they go out of the printer they don't fall down on the ground. On the app it's exactly the same process, so select printer scan, click on the top. Under source, select document feeder. Or if you want, let's say your pages you have input here are printed on both sides and you want to scan both sides of each page, you can select document feeder two-sided. This printer is capable of this. It's quite cool. But I'll simply select document feeder, go back, and press scan. At the end, it's absolutely the same thing, but this time you can scroll left and right to see all the different pages you have input here, and you can have access to the same exact features. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, but also comment down below. Check my Amazon links if you want to get some ink, a new printer, some paper. Every time you go through my links, I get a small percentage and it helps my channel. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.